What's up, guys? Brett with New England Auto and Truck. Today we're parting out a 2010 Mercedes C550 Coupe, stock number N01265. Has 127K on it. Left headlamp in great shape, left front lamp in good shape, good sensors coming off the cover, good bumper rebar up on the front, good fog lamp on the right, good headlamp on the right as well. Hood listed clean with no damage. Looking at a nice grille coming off as well. Fender on the left clean, listed, no damage, looks great, looks real good. Left knee is going to go complete. That's control arm, spindle, strut, left door mirror in awesome condition. It's a 550, it doesn't have blind spot. Left front door, great shape. Clean, listed, no damage, looks awesome. Quarter glass on the left in good condition here. Swinging around, good quarter glass on the right as well. Big surprise. Right door in pretty good shape here. Got some paint blemish on it. One small ping toward the middle of the door, but overall the door still looks really good. Right door mirror looking good as well. Again, it's power. Body color cover, got a turn signal. No blind spot. Fender on the right side, you got some good paint blemish on here. But doesn't look too bad. Got a good right knee, complete control arm, spindle, strut. Let's get inside. Take a look here, shall we? Trim's in pretty good shape here, both of them. A little bit of TLC will do them some good. You get a very small amount of cracking on the edge there. Good master for windows, mirrors. You got a good electrical switch here for seats as well. Ventilated seats, heated and cooled. Decent condition seats. I'd say non-insurance quality. They're just worn in the front. Some good cracking on the bottom parts of the seats here in the front. Just looks like a lot of people have been getting it out of the car. Back seat not too bad though. That looks good. Bench seat looking good. We got good roof bags. Passenger side, as you can see, dash bag still in good shape over there as well. Glove box looks good. Good display up top here. You got a good receiver in the vehicle. Good master for heat and AC. Center console, awesome condition, great shape. Steering column also in great shape. You get the wood and leather steering wheel that goes with the column. Wheel bag intact. Driver's side roof bag also intact. Got a good speedometer in the vehicle here as well. And the engine does run 127, 384K. Engine runs. Sounds great when you rev it up. You know the deal. You got questions? Sales has you covered. They got your answers, guys. Give them a shout. They will be more than happy to give you the help you need.